Welcome to the Daily Property News. I'm TalkToTony, and we are diving straight into the latest developments shaping Singapore's property landscape. The last 24 hours have delivered a clear message. The market remains a high-stakes arena, from record-breaking public housing deals to major corporate movements. The headline news continues to be the relentless march of HDB resale prices. We saw a new town record set in Pasir Ris, where an executive flat was sold for a staggering 1.25 million Singapore dollars. This transaction is a stark reminder of the premium buyers are willing to pay for larger, mature HDB units. This trend is forcing a critical question for many Singaporeans. Does a new condominium now make better financial sense than a $1 million HDB resale flat? The narrowing price gap is certainly pushing more buyers to evaluate private property as a viable alternative, especially when considering the remaining lease on older HDB units. On the redevelopment front, we have a tale of two outcomes. In the public housing sector, two aging HDB blocks in Tiong Bahru failed to secure the necessary 75% mandate for the Home Improvement Program, or HIP, missing the threshold by a razor-thin margin. This highlights the challenges in achieving consensus even for government-supported upgrading initiatives. Conversely, the private market saw a successful conclusion with the freehold residential development, Star Point, being sold en bloc for 55.3 million Singapore dollars. This successful collective sale underscores the continued appetite for prime redevelopment sites among developers and investors. Finally, let's look at the corporate and commercial sectors. Malaysian developer IOI Properties reported a massive surge in its first quarter net profit, driven significantly by a whopping remeasurement gain in its Singapore operations. This financial result signals strong underlying value and performance in their Singapore property portfolio. In the office space, the return to office push is meeting resistance. A recent report indicates that Singapore office workers are increasingly demanding flexible work hours. This shift in employee expectation is a key factor that commercial landlords and employers must address as they navigate the post-pandemic work environment. That's your 24-hour market report. Stay sharp, stay informed. Anything about property? Talk to Tony at 868634